That's MSG Varsity. This is my quick show.
Cameras are on. Ready to roll.
And a nice job in transition. Smooth and silky, and that's how he gets you.
What's up, Pat?
What's up, buddy? How are
Good
you?
to see you, bud. I like the sweater vest. Very good.
You told me no time.
Long Island basketball. I'm going to be nice. It's not the strongest it's ever been. But you've cooked up a little recipe that there is strength in the big fellas.
Yeah, there's some size on Long Island this year, Mike. There's a lot of good big guys on Long Island. They're talented. They're athletic.
Allie, your daughter, probably knows this next guy, Luke Petrasic from Northport, who lost their first game tonight. When Luke puts some meat on his bones, he may be a factor.
Well, he is really, really skinny, Mike. I mean, he's 6'10", 6'11", but he may have the most talent on Long Island. He can put it on the floor. He can shoot the three. He blocks a lot of shots. I mean, he's 175 pounds soaking wet. He needs a year. He blocks a lot of shots. He almost had a triple-double in that game against Whitman. He had 9 blocks.
He looks athletic.
Very, very athletic. He can go coast to coast. I mean, he's a poor man's Tony Kukoc a little bit because he can really shoot it. Handles, got good vision. He does not have a Division I offer yet, and I can't understand what people are waiting for. I know they want him to put on some weight.
They just want to see him gain weight.
They want him to put on some weight. They really, really want him to show that he's got a love for the game, and I think he's really turned that on the last 6 months, and I'm a big Luke Petrasic fan.
You're 6'8". Whitman, Northport.
Underneath, the steal by Smith. Has Kennedy running with him. No, but Petrasic is there.
Oh, Big Luke throwing it down.